Literally 1% of the fam with us right now. It is about to rain, so I need to pull in the Subaru so I can install the coilovers and do all that. The SL is also getting worked on today, but we need to push this out so we can put this in. If you guys follow me on my other social media platforms, you will know that I did reveal the Slurpee wrap for this upcoming drift build that I'm gonna be working on. And also, if you guys are new, this is my first 350Z that I sold like a year I sold a while ago, and I ended up purchasing it back, and I decided that it's gonna be my first drift build on my first car. And this is a little exclusive footage for you guys. I didn't actually wrap the whole thing. I wrapped just enough so I could get the picture and reveal it on 7-Eleven day. We do plan on taking this wrap completely off and wrapping it green, but as I said, we will get to it, but for now we are pulling it out. Let's do it. Alright, so we have the ST box right over here, and we are going to be doing our unboxing for the coilovers. Obviously, they're from ST Suspension, so this is what they look like. And let's do a color reveal. Let's see what they look like. Yellow! So I'm going to place these ones really carefully right here. Here's another. This is 3 out of the 4. There we go, ta-da! I'm so excited to install these. So this is what the height looks like right now. I could fit 4 fingers in there, no problem. Allow me to demonstrate. Yeah, that's pretty bad. We are gonna be starting off by, I don't know what side we're gonna start off by doing, but this is a super easy install. I know we always say that, everyone always says that, but I did watch a tutorial on it. It looks pretty easy, so. All right, so they threw away the instructions, so I'm gonna have to take a trip to the trash and start digging like a raccoon. So bye.
Bye.
And now we're back in the front. ST suspension coilovers are finally installed. They look pretty good. It's a pretty similar stock ride height, but I like it a lot better for the sidewall I chose for this wheel setup. I do preferably, if I want to spend a little bit more money, I'd probably get some spacers and drop it just a little bit more, but we'll see down the line how we like that. We still have to do the rear, but I kind of want to hit the gym right now, so I'll be right back. We are back from the gym. We are all washed up, clean, and ready to do the rear coilovers in order. Whoa. I feel like this is very overexposed, but I'm probably going to be able to tell once I edit this. We are now working on the rear coilovers like I mentioned, and in order to access the rear coilovers, we have to take off the rear seats completely. So I'm going to just walk around here real quick. Slurpee. Yeah, so luckily the rear seats come off right away apparently. Let's see. All right, take it on your side. And then apparently we also have to take out the back seat, the back part of the seat, so that sucks because we can't even access. Oh, we see, yeah, it's these bolts right here. All right, we'll be right back. All the french fries in the world. She's sucking all those french fries. All right, fingers crossed it's actually under here because, and it's not. This is some wiring. This is some wiring. So where is it? What? I'm confusion. All right, rear one is going in. There is cardboard here, but there aren't 3 bolts or threadings. So I think we have to reuse the old one right over there, but we are not sure. This is gonna be interesting, guys. It's gonna be real interesting. All right, so we managed to take off the rear, what is it called? I'm losing out on my terms, but we managed to take this off, and now we're just gonna plop it into this situation over here. If it fits. There's gonna be a slight delay to the rear coilovers. We have to stop at AutoZone real quick just because the shaft within this coilover keeps spinning while we're trying to tighten down the stop nut. So now I have to go to AutoZone during rush hour just to get this special tool set, which I'll show you guys right when I come back. All right, so this is the system we had to pick up. It is a pass-through set, and it comes with this. So this is what we're gonna need to fit basically 2 socket wrenches in one, or socket ratchets, same difference. All right, so this is how it works. So we basically have a socket wrench and then another one, and it passes right through, and then you're tightening it. How crazy, this is so helpful. All right, we got everything dialed in, and now we are about to put the coilover on. I gotta look from the inside. There's the ratchet. and see if she's gonna be able to align it perfectly. There is a strut bar over here as well. And here's what we're working with. The top 3 nuts have been put on. They haven't been fully tightened yet because I'm gonna be aligning this and running the bolts through. These right here, and then I'm gonna be tightening everything down. Ta-da! All right, moment of truth. Let's see how much it drops down. Last time it was about like 3.5 finger lengths. Oh God. No! That means we have to lower it a lot more. Oh man. All right, we did some adjusting, so now it's time to see the ride height. That's a lot better. It could go a little bit lower. It definitely needs spacers, but it's a lot better than last time. In the front, you could fit 2, no problem. This one, you could fit 3. I think that's okay. All right, guys, moment of truth. We had a little issue with the top 3 threads because one of the nuts would not go out because the seatbelt was stuck to it. But we're all done with all 4. I'm terrified right now. That didn't sound very nice.
That is sounds very nice.
We are finally done installing the SC suspension coilovers on the Subaru WRX. If you guys made it this far, I'll let you in on a little secret. This is actually my first time installing coilovers. I know everyone always makes fun of my fitment, and to be honest, I've always had coilovers just sitting in the back of my garage, and I was a little scared to install them because I'm like, anything that could possibly go wrong will probably go wrong with my luck. But it was a super smooth install with the ST suspension coilovers, so I definitely recommend those. They are the XTA, and here is how low we went. We went pretty much 2 finger lengths, and I really like the way it looks. What do you think?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Pretty good. But yeah, if we end up doing more to the fitment, definitely some spacers, and we might go just a little bit lower, but this is what it looks like for now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next video. I'm gonna keep it real short and sweet if you guys made it this far. No, I forgot to install the air oil separator, so I guess that's gonna happen in the next video. I'm so sorry. But don't forget to subscribe. Peace.